Hi everyone, this is Kiki Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video ang Dasbia compilation because why not, right? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano na naman ang mga chika dito? Ano na naman to? Sino? Ay, ando. Ay, inatinginan nga sila. Tutang ina, wait lang. Ando si Dustin sa likod. Ay, bakit pa sulyap-sulyap sila? Si Will walang pakialam. Oh, mami. Mami, ano na? Grabe ang pinayat ni AC, no? Actually. Mami, may something talaga sila. I mean, hindi something. Sila talaga. Ay, ito na pala yun. Oh, loko. Oh, siya lang ang may karapatan. Dasbia lang. Wala kayong magagawa for today's video. Ay, hawak na may karapatan. Titig ng may dahilan. Charas. Diba? Ano to? Ano to? Bakit may ganito? Popsination First Project? Ay, taray. Wow. Ano ang Popsination Project nila for today's video? Saan? Ay, gusto ko. Si ano yan na? Sino nga yan? Ay. Oh my God, I forgot. No, that is not Ivor. That is not Ivor. Andiyan ba? Andiyan ba si Bianca? Wala, si Pops lang. Si Pops lang andyan. Gwapo naman ni Pops. Update yan. Nag-update si Pops. This is one thing that I really love, Bianca, kasi bungis-ngis kasi talaga siya.
Si Dustin kasi, he's so very, very straightforward.
Very, very. I love that.
He ever tells you what you want to hear, or someone who has no filter. Someone has no filter. You want someone who's real and straightforward.
Ay. Ay! Atake! Atake sila, oh. Kala mo walang bukas, oh. Ay. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Naalala ko to, dear. Naalala ko to. Fresh na to sa utak ko. Anyway, si Mali, ano natin yan? Ay! Oh, may pa-heart kayo. Ay! Who is the cute boy? Ay, Pops! Bianca, sa'yo lahat yan. Ala, ang gwapo niya talaga. Yung mga ganito ni Dustin, no?
You asked me to join you, okay? Naglayas tayo. Now you don't even know where we're going?
Will you just let me think for a minute, okay?
Nauubusan na tayo ng gasolina. Kanina ka pa drive ng drive.
Ay!
Shut up and let me think for a minute!
Claudine Barreto.
Ako niyayang maglayas.
Look, it's the first time I'm going to do this, okay? How do you expect me to...
Ikaw ang lalaki. You're supposed to know what to do.
Well, I don't know what to do! Oh, what's wrong with you?
He's so stupid. This is all so stupid.
Ay!
This is not only stupid. This is wrong.
Where are we going?
I'm taking you home.
What?
I'm taking you home. Get in the car.
Ay!
Look, you asked me to join you, okay? Naglayas tayo. Now you don't even know where we're going?
Will you just let me think for a minute, okay?
Atake.
Nauubusan na tayo.
Atake sila, oh. Ay, wait lang. I-ano nga natin si Bianca. I-ano nga natin kung ano yung... Ay, oh, ay. Bakit may pahalik? O, loko. Ay, atake. Wait, ano to? Oh. Atake sila, oh. Wait, anong meron dito? Saan sila pupunta, mami? Hala, ang ganda ni Bianca. Yes, Batums. Wait. The Oscar Brad. Loko, loki lang. Ay! Hi! OA kayo. Baka OA. Wait lang. Feeling ko marami tong marami tong ayuda about sa Daspia. Sandali lang. Diyan lang kayo. Pam, 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 pam. Now need you. Now miss you. And I wonder if I could fall into that sky. Ay. Halika na. Hindi yan. Ay, to. Oh, kahapon pala to. Diyos ko, kala ko naman talaga ngayon lang to for today's video. Asa si Bianca? Hindi sila nagsabay? Bakit naman hindi sila nagsabay? Ay, yes. Bagay na bagay talaga sa kanya yung kanyang kanta. Okay. Okay, what's next? And I was like, yes! Atake. Atake ka dyan, Paps. Ito pala yun. Okay. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Panatin natin yung mga repost niya kasi maka-Daspia siya eh. Ay, hala, nagpakita ng chest si Dustin? Ay, Whisper Challenge. Hindi ko to napanood. Ay, wait. Panoorin natin to.
And we're here on Metro.style.
Metro.style.
Big four.
Okay. B.
Badminton. Bahay.
Ni.
Kuya.
Takdang panahon.
Takdang panahon.
Tama, di ba?
Kita. Sili. Sinita.
Ba't parang may lambing talaga si Dustin? May lambing talaga yung pagkakasabi ni Dustin. Malambing talaga si Paps. Ay! Ngayon ko lang ito napanood. Nonchalant. Ay, nomination. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Our Daspia compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!